You want to invest in real estate, but you don't have the thousands of dollars to invest. No worries, let's wholesale.
And it goes a little something like
Hello YouTube viewers, my name is Eric Pinkney, owner of Pinkney Estates. If this is our first time meeting, please consider subscribing to my channel for weekly real estate investing content. In real estate investing, wholesaling is when you, the wholesaler, puts a property under contract and then assigning your rights to that contract with your fee included to an end cash buyer. There are two main reasons why I like wholesaling. Reason number one, there is little to no money needed when using this method. Reason number two, it is faster than flipping a fixer-upper. Wholesaling can take as little as a week versus a fixer-upper flipper. That could take anywhere from 3 to 6 months depending on the project. Here are a few things that you would need for your wholesaling business. A good real estate attorney. Find a local real estate attorney that is familiar with assignments or double closings. You should also consult with your attorney about creating a simple agreement of contract with the following essential elements. It must be in writing. There has to be capable parties, a lawful object, and consideration, aka money or something of value. After consulting with your attorney, you should have a one-page contract and an assignment of contract. This is how you get paid. If you use a standard real estate contract, which is about 15 pages, it may confuse the seller. We want to make this process as simple as possible. The last and most important thing you would need is a formula. Now, in the last video, I broke down the 70% rule. Now, if you add one more step, this will determine how much you will get paid. Let's say that a cash buyer is interested in a property that you have under contract. They have determined that the value of that property is $100,000 and it needs $20,000 in repairs. Now, you have the property under contract for $30,000, but you are pitching to the end buyer that the property is for sale for $50,000. Everyone is happy, and here's why. The seller gets their number. The property falls under the 70% rule for the cash buyer. And most importantly, you get 20 G's. I kind of went through that 70% rule kind of fast. So let's revisit this. Okay, $100,000 times 70% is $70,000 minus the $20,000 needed to repair the property. And that gives you the number of $50,000. You're charging the end buyer $50,000. You have the house under contract for $30,000. The difference is yours. It's time for the toasty tip of the day. And this one is special because I'm going to give you 2 tips. Toasty! Tip number 1. I strongly recommend that you do business as an LLC or corporation. The bigger the business, the more the liability.
That's real, yo. I ain't exaggerating at all, man. The more money you make, the more problems you get.
If you run into any legal issues in the future, the only assets affected would be owned by the business, not your personal assets. Knock on wood. Always keep your attorney in the loop. Tip number 2. Finding cash investors in your target area is very simple. Use platforms like Facebook and Craigslist. Now, write down or copy and paste the following. Then watch your inbox blow up. This concludes this week's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and share with your mom and them. See you next time.
Yeah.